Today I wanna speak about other parts of the Solidworks. I wanna speak about the spline, ellipse, and fillets. These three parts. First of all, I start with the spline, the normal one. I choose the plane. I would like to work on the right plane, so I choose right plane. I click here, and then click, and finish. If I want to finish the order, I press the escape button and finish. So if I want to change also the shape, I can click here and drag and change the shape, wherever I want to put. Okay. I can also work with the style spline, which is somehow the same as the before one, but here I can have some lines that I can change it by numbers, not only by shape. Here I can give the angle 70 degrees. I want to be here. I want to be like 50 degrees, so I can change it the way I would like by numbers, not by guessing. Here also we have equation driven curve, which is we use the explicit and the parametric. The most common use is explicit, and we commonly use this one. We should write equation. Here I would like to write 16 multiple sin x, here 0, here I would say 90. Okay, so you can see that we have different one. I want to be 50, this one 10, so I can draw the shape I would like. Also, if I want to delete, I choose all of them and press the delete key and delete all of them. If I would like to draw a ellipse, I can choose the simplest one and click. I could also change the dimension here till here should be 100. Okay, this one, this and this 50. So I can change the way I would like. Also we have partial ellipse. Here I click, then click, and I draw till I would like to draw an ellipse. So I would like to be till here. I click and finish. Delete all of them. I don't want to be so many drawing here. Also we have parabola. Parabola is I can click here, then click. So I can draw an ellipse that I would like to here. Can drag it till here. Okay, I can choose this point, and get the control key and this point, and to be horizontal. This one couldn't be horizontal, this one could be vertical. I should drag this because it chooses just one of it. This one, and this vertical. So this one and this could be horizontal. Also we have conic. This is other like this. Can use this one. Also I can use this one as a border, horizontal, and change the area. And if I want to speak about the fillet and where we use it, okay, let me delete all of them, and then drag. I wanna draw a rectangle here to be easy to show you where I can find. Depends on the shape, depends on your drawing. You need some different fillets, like for weldings, for different purposes we use fillets. Here I wanna use the sketch fillet, which is smooth. Here I can change the dimension. I can make it like 20, or I think 70 is better to be more, Okay, so we have with radius 70 fillet. Also about the other one, we have a sketch chamfer. Click on it. If I want to have a chamfer which is the equal distance, like I wanna be a chamfer which is sharper than before, 40. Click here and click here. Both sides, both parts are the same with 40 millimeters. If I want to be not the same, so okay, I change it here. Click here. I click on this part, so I change it from this one like be 30, this one 70 millimeters, and finished. Easily 70 and 30. Okay, I hope this video could help you well. Thank you for watching.